All right, yeah, welcome back again. Last time we looked at a one-way ANOSIM, which is a non-parametric test to test our similarity index, whether they are dissimilar or not. I mean, between the tarsals, I mean, by categorical variable and between the races of our data. So we can also do what they call two-way ANOSIM when you have more than one uh, categorical variable. For example, we have races, we have gender. All right, so we can go ahead and do two-way ANOSIM as well under this. So let's say we copy our data as usual to pass, copy to pass. All right, so let's do two-way ANOSIM now. Two of them will be made group available. Then we'll check this. All right, so now we have two, so we can select all. Then you can go to multivariate test and two-way ANOSIM. Okay, this two-way ANOSIM. All right, so when you click on it to compute for you, can see under two-way ANOSIM we have for race. Okay, for race, R is 0.24, which is something we have the other time. That time we have 0.25, which is very close. Now it's now because we are trying to do it together. That's why it look a little bit different. But P is still the same. Okay, but the value just 2.4 and 2.5, so just a little bit different. But now we are showing that this for race they are dissimilar. Race show they are dissimilar. Okay, with R 0.24 and significant p-value. But when it comes to gender, you can see gender they are not dissimilar. Okay, no dissimilarity between the gender. That's what it means. You can see your p is not even significant. So you can see the difference between the two. So it means that at race level, we can see that the races are dissimilar, but at gender level, they are not. Which means some male, some female look like a male. That's a male or a female. You cannot differentiate much. In fact, if you look at the faces anyway of those Europe and especially those Asia, you can see some female face look like a male face. I mean, male faces look like female faces. Okay, so the test shows that gender is it's not dissimilar. Okay, which means they are similar. That's what it means. Why race are dissimilar. So I think that is very clear now. So thank you so much for listening. I will see you on the next video.